Artificial intelligence isn't just reshaping the tech industry, it's reshaping everyday life. In 2025, AI is no longer confined to research labs or Silicon Valley startups. It's in your phone, your office, your home, even your doctor's office. Today, we're exploring 10 AI tools that are not just useful, they're life-changing. From productivity hacks and automation to creativity, finance, and even health, these tools are redefining what it means to live in the digital age. And trust me, some of these are so powerful, you'll wonder how you ever live without them. Let's start with the king of AI tools, ChatGPT and its successors like GPT-5. What started as a chatbot has evolved into a multimodal AI assistant. It doesn't just generate text anymore. It can understand images, generate code, create lesson plans, debug software, and even act as your personal research assistant. Imagine preparing for a meeting in 5 minutes. ChatGPT can summarize dozens of documents, pull out the main talking points, and even create a PowerPoint slide deck for you. In 2025, it's less of a chatbot and more like having a 24/7 coworker who never sleeps. For marketers and content creators, Jasper is a lifesaver. It's specialized in brand-aligned writing. Unlike general chatbots, Jasper can adopt your brand's voice, tone, and style. Need 20 social media captions that sound witty and human? Done. Need a blog post optimized for SEO? Jasper drafts it in minutes. Even ad campaigns, Jasper can generate A/B tested variations instantly. The key here isn't just speed, it's scalability. Jasper allows small teams to act like agencies. Video is king, and Synthesia proves you don't need cameras, actors, or studios anymore. With Synthesia, you type a script, pick an AI avatar, or even create your own likeness, and boom, a video is ready. Businesses use it for training. YouTubers use it for faceless content. Startups use it for quick promos. And now with multilingual support, Synthesia breaks language barriers. For creators in 2025, it's a way to create Hollywood-style video with zero equipment. If words can create worlds, AI image generators are the proof. Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion are giving everyone the ability to create stunning artwork, designs, and visuals from a simple text prompt. Need a YouTube thumbnail? Done. Need a fantasy landscape for your novel cover? Generated in seconds. Even fashion prototypes and architectural mock-ups are now AI-assisted. The gap between imagination and creation is shrinking. You don't need Photoshop mastery anymore, just an idea. Runway is a creative suite that pushes video editing into the AI era. Imagine removing objects from a video with one click, generating new scenes, or even extending footage seamlessly. Filmmakers use Runway for pre-visualization, YouTubers use it to polish edits, and designers use it for experiments. In 2025, Runway is less a tool, more like a collaborator in storytelling. Productivity in 2025 means more than task lists. Notion AI integrates intelligence into your workspace. It can summarize long meeting notes, generate project outlines, auto-tag content, and even suggest next steps. For students, professionals, and entrepreneurs, Notion becomes more than an app. It's your second brain. Repetitive tasks eat time. Zapier's AI features now let you chain actions across apps, powered by intelligent triggers. Picture this. An email comes in, AI summarizes it, sends the key details to Slack, adds a task to Notion, and schedules a follow-up in Google Calendar. All done automatically. For freelancers and businesses, this is not just convenience. It's time freedom. Competition drives innovation. Mistral Medium 3 is one of the leading open-source models competing with giants like OpenAI. It's lightweight, fast, cost-effective, and powerful enough to rival closed models. Developers love it because it's customizable, meaning startups can build unique apps and AI agents without breaking the bank. It's the open-source underdog changing the rules. Imagine being able to access ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and other AI models, all in one dashboard. That's Lumio AI. It lets you compare outputs, switch between models, and pick the best result. Instead of subscribing to 5 different AIs, Lumio centralizes it. For researchers and businesses, this means better answers and lower costs. Finally, we have Manus, an autonomous AI agent. Unlike chatbots, Manus doesn't wait for you to tell it every step. You give it a goal, and it plans, executes, and learns along the way. Think of it like hiring an AI intern who can actually work independently. It's experimental today, but in 2025, Manus and similar agents could change how businesses and even individuals get work done. It's the beginning of true digital coworkers. These 10 tools are not the future. They're here, now. They're rewriting how we work, create, and live in 2025. From writing and art to business and automation, AI is no longer an accessory. It's becoming a necessity. So, which one of these would you try first? Drop your choice in the comments. And if you want more future-focused insights, hit subscribe and join us here on Tech Beyond now.